Yeah, as I was saying, so they've been trying to get out, so they dug it in, and he's saying that this is the issue, that the tow hitch is holding it in place. Hey guys, Rhino here. Welcome back. And if this is your first time watching my videos, thank you for being here. And tonight we got a call and we're going into the wash, but this time we're going to a different place. We're going to North San Bernardino, and this time we're going to pull out a dually that got stuck in sand, and they're right by the entrance too, so it shouldn't be that hard. It should be a quick and easy recovery. So again, once I get there, I keep recording, and thank you for coming along. Okay, here we go. We're entering through Highland and 210 freeway. And I'm not sure what happened to my... Am I supposed to go down that way? I don't know, let me see. Oh, okay, I see it. It's down there. You see it? Alright, let me see, how am I supposed to get in there? Because I came the wrong way for sure. Hold on. Is this an entrance? Yeah. Okay.
To the right.
Yeah. But ¿para allá? Ok.
Acá está mejor un dip más chiquito.
Ok, voy. Compadre, ahí voy. Sí. Okay, so I think that if I pull it, I should be able to pull it out. But as you can see, it's very dug in, because they've been trying to get out. Hold on, let me turn on the flashlight. Yeah, as I was saying, so they've been trying to get out, so they dug it in, and he's saying that this is the issue, that the tow hitch is holding it in place. It's keeping the wheels up, I'm guessing, the rear wheels. So the rear wheels are not grabbing. But we'll just, hook it up and pull it right out. All right, let's get to it.
Hey, don't do it yet.
On the first pull, I didn't use full force because I've seen videos where something snaps on the kinetic rope and they come up flying with deadly force. And they are out. So thank you guys for watching again, and of course we'll see you next time.